Hello my guys, welcome back to another video. It's me Lilian. So, we're here in a restaurant called Kusina. And this is so loud. Fine. What you hold this? Okay. Let me see. Wala na yung 0.5.
Yes. Itsuri ko ba?
Balik ka din yan kaya wala niyo kasi 0.5.
Yan no good bro. 0.5. Hold ayun.
Yan na, sa uy.
Mo dire do?
Ayo, i-closer uy. Ayo, i-closer. Wow.
Di man sa ilan eh.
Oh,
Makita ng cellphone.
sige pa. Sige, ikaw na lang bahala. Basta 0.5.
Walo kay ikaw wala sa agent. Ikaw lang di ka
Ay, sorry.
Here's a present. Let's explore this place. I'm cringe. Try. Hold. What happened? If this falls, I don't.
Grabe yung picture. Picture na, mas kuya. Grabe si mama na apil ni unggoy.
Grabe ko ya kayo ganyan ang pagtingin ko.
I didn't stop like this because I thought my she's always pointing like What? This is upside down. Hanapin na na.
Pero nga pod prasa tong sakwan. Sa kagayan. Ah, unsa man na oy.
Katong sa kagaya ni Justin ba balik-balik sa ako. Uli ana ba? Uli yung mino.
Do.
Grabe.
Ada.
At then,
Uli yan.
kami naman ay. Wow. Gani. Let's go. I just took the picture. Every day celebrating. Every day is. I'm just gonna look at the fountain. So nice. Let's see with the camera. Take this out of faces. Ah,